I think most of you should know what is 3D model because it has already mentioned so many times in the town hall, right? Virtual design, 3D model, something like that, right? Okay, so after the implementation, after the use of the 3D model in PowerPoint, that means whenever you have some product which is already in virtual in 3D model, you may just simply insert them into the PowerPoint presentation slide and show in front of your customer. This is very important. Now, just have a look on this one. Slide 12. This is actually one of the 3D model, right? After you select the 3D model, then you can see one more toolbar is over here on top of the PowerPoint ribbon. Okay, 3D model tools. After you select the 3D power tools, see what happened. Over here, we've got something called the format. Okay, one thing I need to remind you. Okay, after you apply the 3D model in your PowerPoint presentation slide, you will find your machine running slowly. The reason why, because a 3D operation is very CPU consuming. Okay, that means at least your machine is equipped with i5 core CPU or above in order to make it more smooth. Okay, the computer that I'm using right now is bought by myself, so that's why it's very powerful. You know, you can't compare. Okay, your company computer can't compare with my private computer. Okay. This is the main point I would like to give. I want to bring out today. Okay, and now, okay, after I select this 3D object, okay, see what happened. Can you see at the center part of the 3D object? If you just simply drag and drop, then you can rotate 360-degree freely. Okay, on the presentation slide, right? You will say, "Wow, David, I would like to resume it. How to do it?" Okay, in the 3D model tools format, okay, can you see here? We've got something called the different wheel. This wheel, or this wheel, or the bottom wheel. Or even you can find more wheel available over here. Is it here? This is very important. And also if you say, "David, I don't like this 3D model. Any options for me?" Yes, you still have so many options. For example, you may ask the 3D design to give you some 3D model and then insert into the PowerPoint, right? However, if you say, "Well, if I'm not so, if those designer won't give me the 3D object, then I have no options." No, because for Microsoft PowerPoint, they have some options for you, which is free of charge. Okay, just simply go to the insert over here, and over here you've got an option called the 3D model, right? Just simply click the 3D model. If those 3D model are given by your 3D designer, you may just directly to call the 3D file that given by your 3D designer. However, if you would like to look for some free of charge 3D model from the web, just go to the from online source. And then it will show you, okay, so many options over here. For example, I like something called the Hello Kitty, let's say. See whether we've got some Hello Kitty 3D model. Wow, we really got some 3D model which is Hello Kitty, which are also free of charge. We got Hello Kitty. How about My Melody? Maybe we got some My Melody. No My Melody. Okay, then select Hello Kitty lah. Hello Kitty 3D model. Okay, I like this one, right? For example, just click this one and then insert. Bear in mind one thing, all the 3D model here are free of charge. Okay? And also license fee as well. After I select this 3D model, Hello Kitty, drag and drop. See? This is the Hello Kitty. If you say, "Wow, David, I would like to put this 3D object on top of another 3D object," yeah, you may do it like this. Yes. The Hello Kitty, the head of Hello Kitty, put on top of the ground. Wow. It's not so good lah. Okay. Is it here? This is the 3D model. Okay? And now, if you say, well, just to use a 3D model is no use, because if just have a 3D model and then people just look at a standard PowerPoint slide, then they may treat this 3D model as a 2D graphic only. How to demonstrate the power of 3D object, this is very, very important. So let me give you some idea on how to demonstrate what is the 3D object. Okay, just like this one. Okay, this is an example. Okay, now I show this one, the Curiosity. Okay, do you know the name of this robot? The name of this robot called Curiosity is now on the Mars. It is very famous. Okay, because the clamp, okay, is designed by the Hong Kong Poly University. Okay, of the Curiosity, the robot Curiosity. Okay, just have a look over here. Okay, this is actually a 3D model, right? So I would like to move like this, and then turnable, rotate, and rotate, and then it can demonstrate the power of 3D model now in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Is it easy to make it? Yes, sure. It's just very easy. How to do it? Just demonstrate. Okay, now we just go to the Curiosity. Okay, can you find the robot Curiosity on your sample slide? Right? Now, I just want to, put the Curiosity like this, maybe on the top left corner of this slide. And also here, I've got another Curiosity over here in the second slide. Because if you would like to move, a 3D object to a different part of the slide, I think you need to, for each step, for each movement, I would suggest you to have one step, one slide to hold the 3D model. Because the animation I'm going to teach you is called Morph. Okay, if you are quite familiar with the application called Keynote in Macintosh machine, then you will use it once in the Keynote version. Okay, now after I move, the first slide is like this. Okay, the Curiosity is here. And over here, the Curiosity is put at the bottom part of the slide, on the second slide. So, how to apply the Morph translation? Just simply select these two slides. How to select two slides? Select the first one, and then press the Control key, and then select the second one, right? And then after that, what happened? And then over here, can you see we've got a ribbon called the transition, right? Transition. Over here, we'll apply a very powerful features called Morph. What's the use of Morph? Just have a look over here. Morph. It's like this. That means, you have already put, the first position of the robot Curiosity over here, and then the second position, of the robot Curiosity at the bottom right corner in the second slide. And then after that, we select both slides and then apply the transition effect Morph, to both slides. Then we've got this animation. Just try again. This is the first position, and then after that, it will move, to the bottom right corner. Is it clear? Very easy, right? And now, after I move the robot Curiosity to the bottom right corner, in the second slide, I would like the robot will turnable, will have some movement and some 3D animation. So how to do it? Very simple. Maybe like this. The first one. Because for the Curiosity is over here. Once I show the PowerPoint slide, it's already there. I don't want to do it. I want to, first of all, the slide will show a blank slide first, and then the Curiosity will suddenly appear in the slide. And then after that, it moves from the top right corner to the bottom right corner. And then after that, the robot Curiosity will fade out from the slide. I want this effect. How to do it? Just have a look. The first thing I would like to do is like that, because we have already given a morph transition, to these two slides. So what I'm going to do is to select the first object first. And then after that, go to the what? Go to the ribbon called animation. And then what you can see here is some animation, right? It's some animation. What are the animations? We've got something called the 3D animations, turnable, swing, jump, turn, leaf, something like that. Let's have a look over here. Can you see a wife? Okay, a wife. Okay, can you see? Okay, all the animation are in different color. Okay, for those animation which is green in color, that means this animation are called entrance. That means from nothing become go for the object to go into the slide. That is the entrance animations. For those animation which is red in color, that means what? For those object, okay, on the slide to leave from the slide, then this is the leaf animation, and which will become red in color. If those animation is to emphasize the object itself, then it will become golden in color. Okay, so I would like to from blank slide to, and then for the robot, okay, to appear schedulely, okay, from the blank slide. So how to do it? Then I will go to the wife to select a wife animations like this, and then after that I will go to the what? I will go to the second slide over here, and then select the curiosity, the robot curiosity over here, and then choose the leaf animation. And then after that, see what happened. I pay the animation again. Now, blank slide. Click the key. Okay, the robot appear, and then move from the top right corner to the bottom left corner, to the top left corner to the bottom right corner, and then after that, lift like this.